Hello students, good morning everyone. In today's class, you are going to learn patriotism poem from your first term English 5th standard. Okay children, in this poem you have totally 4 stanzas. But in today's class, you are going to learn only 2 stanzas. 2 stanzas you are going to learn in today's class. It is a very simple and easy poem. First, do you all know the meaning for patriotism? Patriotism is nothing but the love and the care upon your nation and or upon your country. What is the name of your country? Do you all know this? Yes, where you live in which country you are in? You are in India. So your country name is India. You are Indian, is it? And your country name is India. So we should be united. Already I hope you learned about patriotism in your social science, is it? In your social science, you come to know about patriotism. Patriotism means the love and care upon your nation. In prose, you learnt that Carmukilan went to USA and studied there, and again he came back to India to serve the people at free of cost. This shows Carmukilan's patriotism towards his nation. Okay children? So come, let's we move on to today's topic. Okay? Today you are going to see only 2 stanzas from this patriotism poem. Okay children? Listen carefully. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike or will we show our dislike? We are in a country, is it? In our country, we should not have any inner boundaries. Again, in your map, you learned boundaries of each and every state. You may have boundaries in map only, but we should be united. We should treat everyone same. Everyone alike means everyone same. We should treat everyone equally. And we should not show any dislike to others. First one, we should live in a country without any inner boundaries. By this time, I think you can know about unity in diversity. Is it children? We have so many states in our country. In our India, we have so many states and so many languages. Whatever it may be, we have to united. We are Indians and we should treat everyone equally. These are the 2 important things you have in your first stanza of this poem children. So now we move on to second 4 lines of this poem, that is second stanza of this poem patriotism. Okay? Now I read it out and then I explain it to you children. Please listen carefully. Will we stick to our core or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. First, what they are telling. You live in our country or you go to foreign. In future, after finishing your studies, you will be in your country to make it proud or you go to foreign. Even in your prose, you learned about Carmukilan. He went to USA for his higher studies, but he returned to India to serve his nation. Like this, you will become a foreign in future or you are in India to serve our nation. I hope this is very clear to you children. And we move on to second 2 lines of this poem. Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we love our nation, is it? India is our nation. So, we love our Indian nations. It is divided when we seen as a persons. When we seen as a persons means we have so much of regional languages and also so much of cultures and traditions which are followed by Indian people. But altogether we are Indians. We are divided as persons, but we are Indians. I hope this is very clear to you. Remember 2 points, children. You should be in India. You should not settle in foreign, because by settle down in foreign, you did not serve your country, is it? You cannot serve your country if you settled in foreign. So if you want to serve your nation, did you love your nation first? If yes, you should stay in India and serve Indian people. Okay? And we should love our nation. We should love our Indian country. We may be divided as persons, but we are united as Indian. We are one among all Indians. There may be so much of tradition and languages inside our Indian country, but we should be united together. We should serve our nation, we should love our country, and we should treat everyone equally. And in future, you should serve your country and you should not go to foreign. This is the main things which you have in this first 2 stanza of the patriotism poem, children. I hope this is very clear to you. This is a very simple poem about patriotism. Patriotism is nothing but your love upon your country which you lives in. You are in Indian country, so you should love your country and treat everyone equally. Okay, children, now it's time for your assignment. Today you are going to write synonyms, that is meanings of this poem. Already you learnt 2 stanzas of this poem, so you are going to write all the meanings. Okay, listen carefully. I read it out and I explain now. First one is boundaries. Boundaries means a dividing line. I think you draw boundaries in your map, is it? That is dividing lines. Okay, and second one is core. Core means our true self. Our value system is called as core. And third one is foreign. Foreign means distant, like a part of a different thing. Foreign means abroad and distant. Okay, and we move on to fourth one. Fourth one is integrity. Integrity means the state of being wholesome. We should stand united, is it? That is integrity. And fifth one is proud. Proud means feeling very honored. We should be proud to be an Indian. That is very proud. So, I have completed 5 meanings from your patriotism poem, children. I hope this is very clear to you. Please write 2 times, okay? Read all these meanings and write 2 times. You are going to read and write the meanings 2 times. This is your today's assignment, children. Please do your assignment. Parents, please support your kids to do their homework, parents. And one more important thing is, most of you are submitting your assignments in WhatsApp. Children, please write your homework, write your assignment and submit it in your Google Classroom, children. This is very important one. Please listen. Write your assignment and kindly post it in Google Classroom only. Don't send your assignments in WhatsApp. Please write it and post it in Google Classroom. Then only I can correct it and return your work to you. Okay? I hope this is very clear to you, children. This is a very interesting poem. In next class, we will see next 2 stanzas of this poem. Okay? Thank you so much, children. Thank you.